Hi all, this is V. This is the Vizcaya Museum House and Gardens in Miami, Florida. It was built between 1914 and 1922 to be the winter residence of James Deering of Chicago. It was built in the Coconut Grove area of Miami. Vizcaya was built as an interpretation of an 18th century Italian villa. As you'll see in the back, it's very reminiscent of Venice. It was designed to take full advantage of its location on Biscayne Bay. The views are stunning. The house, open to visitors as well as the gardens, has several reception rooms and bedrooms surrounding a courtyard. The courtyard now has a ceiling on it, but in the day it would have been open. Although historical and quite Baroque in appearance, Vizcaya is a very modern house and used the latest technology of the period, like a water filtration system. You'll see when I get upstairs, there's a bathtub, which was quite unusual. It's equipped with heating and ventilation, 2 elevators, a dumbwaiter, several things that most people just didn't have at that time. The furniture, the art collection, the sculptures, everything is just amazing to look at and really interesting to look into the lives of the people who have lived there. But mostly, it's interesting to see that it's a house. Now, obviously, it's a house for a very wealthy person because it's only his winter residence. But it's incredible to see how people lived. This is the dumbwaiter, one of the technological advances.
Yeah, don't look at that. Don't look at that. It's not me. Yes. So anyway, Mr. Deering suffered from pernicious anemia his entire life. That disease is entire easily. So generally when he will entertain in the middle of the day, he'd entertain in the courtyard. When he ate his own meals, he usually ate upstairs in the breakfast room. So this dining room, perhaps like many dining rooms across America, might not have been used very much. Next, we are going to go through a little butler's pantry into the enclosed loggia.
The music room's harpsichord once belonged to the 17th century. And here it's obvious where the Italian influence comes in. This reminded me so much of Venice. On one side of the house, they had an orchard garden, and as you'll see, so many lizards. I realize lizards are nothing to people in Florida, but for someone who lives in Scotland, oh my gosh, they're so cute! I had to take a few pictures and video of them. Back inside the house, one of the reception rooms, which you'll see next, really reminded me of Catherine's palace in St. Petersburg, Russia. She has a gold room, or an amber room, and it really reminded me, it looks exactly the same, only smaller. This tapestry's from the 1400s. What? It was created for the grandfather. Upstairs were the personal rooms, the bedroom, the guest rooms, the bathroom. While the inside of the house, the gorgeous ceilings, the rugs, everything was absolutely stunning, the outside is even more incredible. The gardens are just beautiful. And as I said, there might have been a few lizards around, so you might meet them along the way. This is the maze garden, and then followed by the fountain garden. The ponds, the plants, the sculptures, the fountains. Oh, just gorgeous. Done beautifully. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you all enjoyed. And if you did, please subscribe.